Hey tech enthusiasts, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any juicy tech updates. Samsung's Galaxy S24 series is already a game changer with its next level features, and now, Samsung is upping the game even more. They're rolling out the One UI 6.1 update, packed with fresh AI features, to breathe new life into older devices. This update is set to hit devices like the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 5, and Galaxy Tab S99 series by the end of March 2024. This update is a big deal. It's bringing those smart AI features from the S24 series down to a bunch of older models. And get this, Samsung plans to upgrade over 100 million devices with this by the end of 2024. We're talking about smarter browsing, chat assists, quick info on anything you circle on your screen, next-level AI editing for photos and videos, and even real-time translation. Pretty cool, right? Oh, and for Galaxy S24 Ultra users troubled by the vivid display setting, help is on the way. Samsung's already rolled out a fix in South Korea, with a global update expected to drop soon. Now, let's talk about the next big thing, the Galaxy A55 5G. Following the footsteps of the F54, it's rumored to be landing around March 2024. We're looking at some hefty specs like the Exynos 1480 processor, a beastly camera setup, and it's coming with the latest Android 14 and One UI 6. Plus, it's backed by a solid 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging. What are your thoughts on Samsung's latest updates and the upcoming Galaxy A55 5G? Sound off in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech. Catch you in the next update. Peace out.